My goodness. Guys, good evening. Guys, hello. I am waiting for you. Wait a second. Guys, good evening. Guys, good evening. Well, I think nobody's going to show up tonight because of the our Colombian soccer team. We are playing in this moment at 6 p.m. I am so sorry about that, but nevertheless, it was about just to devote 15 or 20 minutes to explain the activity we are going to do during the week, which is called essay. Okay? So I want to share the learning guide I designed for you tonight. This one. This is the one. Okay, yes. It's called essay writing. Well, the essay is about writing about conflicts of processes and teamwork. So, but well, I just chose one question to motivate you to write your essay, and that question is, well, tell us about your job or talk about teamwork. So, if you want, you can tell us about your profession, about what you do, about the activities you do for, well, on your daily life, the activities you do for a living, okay? So that is the like the bottom line of the essay, just writing about your job. Tell us about your job. It could be if you are a professional, if you are a manager, if you are a teacher, if you are a lawyer, an engineer, well, it doesn't matter. Or if you are, if you have your own business, you know? if you work in the street or whatever it is, it doesn't matter. So it's up to you. Tell us about your job. That is option A. Or option B is when if you want to talk about teamwork. What is teamwork? What is the importance of teamwork? How important is teamwork in our professional lives? You know, and tell us a little bit about teamwork, about the definition of teamwork, if there are different kinds of teamwork, different actors in the teamwork. So there are different possibilities, regarding this teamwork. So you are required to tell us about, you are required to tell us about your teamwork. Well, what is teamwork for you, or what is the thing you do for a living? Tell us about your job. Okay, so that is the main the topic, uh, the two topics we have for our essay. Here in this graphic, I want to tell you a little bit about the structure for our essay. So I want you to write an essay, a 5-paragraph essay, okay? This is the structure, this graphic you see on the left. So the structure of the essay, it requires writing 1 paragraph for the introduction, and 3 paragraphs that are called body paragraphs. So paragraphs 2, 3, and 4, they are the body of the essay. And finally, the conclusion paragraph. So this is the structure, 5 paragraphs. The first one, introduction, body paragraph, 3 paragraphs, and conclusion, the last one. Take into account the colors, okay? These introduction and conclusion paragraphs, they have almost the same color, okay? That means that they are so similar. So the content we have here in this first paragraph, well, we must take it into account and connect it to this final paragraph, the conclusion paragraph. Well, sometimes people paraphrase information from the first paragraph, from the introduction paragraph to the conclusion paragraph. Paraphrase information. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is saying something similar information from what it was said in the first paragraph, but with different words. You know, similar meaning, but different words. That is paraphrasing. Okay, so here we are going to have, well, a lot. Well, I chose 3 essays, 3 videos about how to write an essay. Okay, and I want you to have a look to, well, at least one of these, well, 2 videos there are, plus this PDF material I am showing to you. Okay? So let me wait a second. Let me choose I'm going to show you. No people here, my goodness. No people in class tonight. Okay, nobody showed up tonight. Well, that's not good, but nevertheless, how to write an essay in English? Well, Wait a second. Um, let me show it to you. I want to share the screen. I want to share the first screen about how to write an essay. And please have a look to the video. The video is just 4 minutes and 20 seconds, okay? So I will mute my microphone to let you listen and watch the video, okay? But I'll be around nevertheless.
The goal is to persuade readers of a position or perspective through informed arguments, supported with evidence and analysis. There are three main stages to writing an essay: preparation, writing, revision. In this video, I'll quickly go through all the stages and steps with you. And in the next few videos in this playlist, we'll go more into detail for each stage with example sentences and paragraphs. Can't wait? Let's dive right in. Hi, I'm Jessica from Scriber, here to help you achieve your academic goals. In the preparation stage, you first need to understand the assignment and choose a topic. Once you've chosen your topic, you should come up with an initial thesis. This is the main point you want to make in the essay, or the position you're going to argue for. At this stage, it doesn't have to be perfectly phrased, but it's important to start with a clear idea of what you want to say. Then you can start creating an outline and planning your essay structure. This will kickstart your writing and keep you on track. Preparation is done, and now we're moving on to writing. Every essay starts off with an introduction. It's important to grab the reader's interest right off the bat and inform them what will be covered in the essay. Hook the reader in the first sentence, and then give context that will help your reader understand your argument. This might involve providing brief background information, giving an overview of important academic work or debates on the topic, and explaining difficult terms. But don't overdo it. Just enough to give the reader a taste, you know? Next, remember the thesis statement from before? Present it here. Tell the reader the central argument you're going to make. The thesis statement is usually 1 or 2 sentences long, and it drives the whole essay, so make sure to spend some time on this part. You can end your introduction section with an overview of the essay, so basically signposting your essay structure. Moving on to the body section. This is the longest part of your essay, usually around 60 to 80%. Here is where you make arguments supporting your thesis, provide evidence, and develop your ideas. It's easy to get lost in a big chunk of text. To give your essay a clear structure, it is important to make use of paragraphs. Each paragraph should be centered around just one argument or idea. Introduce the purpose of each paragraph using topic sentences. A good topic sentence makes the transition from the previous paragraph and introduces the argument to be made in this paragraph. After the topic sentence, present evidence by providing the reader with data, examples, or quotes. Be sure to interpret and explain the evidence, and show how it helps develop your overall argument. Whew! The hard work is done, and you've arrived at the last paragraph of your essay, the conclusion. Here are 3 things you should do. Summarize and tie together the points you made in the essay's body. Show the outcome of your arguments. What new insights have you provided? Emphasize why your argument matters. After you're done writing, but before you submit your hard work, it's important to revise and polish your writing. Double-check your arguments. Have you said everything you meant to say, or do some points need restructuring? Finally, make sure to check your grammar, spelling, and formatting. And if you've cited sources in your paper, also use a plagiarism checker to make sure everything is good to go. Once you've checked everything off this checklist here, you're good to go. When you're ready, your next step should be creating an outline for your essay. Click this to learn how to do so. See you there!
Okay, well, this is just one of the videos I have for you to like reinforce the explanation of of the structure of a video, or how to design a video, or the steps to follow when writing an essay, you know. So in all these videos, you are going to find useful information that guide you to write your essay. Okay? So, well, I will stop the video, well, this recording in a few moments because, well, none of you showed up. I don't know why, because of the team, because of the match tonight. But, well, that's okay. That's okay. The topic is, well, there are a lot of information for this topic online. There are tons of information about how to write an essay. Nevertheless, the learning guide I will submit tomorrow morning with the video will help you a lot, okay? To write the first draft. This is the first draft, because we are going to have two sessions more to talk about essay writing, okay? Do not worry, this is the first draft. We will have two more sessions, okay, to write about essays, okay? Well, guys, it was a pleasure to talk to you tonight and working with you tonight. So I will send you the video tomorrow and the learning guide as well, with all the videos on all the required information to make you successful in doing this evidence, okay? Essay writing. Okay, guys, thanks for attending. Well, or thanks for checking the video recording session. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good night.